viewers, welcome back with another vlog of unboxing the MOZA Mini-s Essentials from Gudsen company. MOZA Mini-s is a smartphone gimbal that lets you add more stability to your videos. In fact, it creates cinematic footages without need of any expensive equipment. It comes with a price tag of $69, which makes it the most budgeted gimbal in the market. Let's have a glimpse of the packaging first. On front is name and picture. On the left side are the features which we are gonna discuss in detail. And at the back is the packing list and their Gudsen company's web address and their support email. Top and bottom is the branding. Let's open it and see what's inside it. First we find a getting started card and an envelope containing MOZA's brand stickers and user's manual, desiccant to control moisture, and a soft pouch made of a premium quality fabric. Type-C charging cable and a camera control cable, a tripod with a standard 1x4 screw. And now we take out our gimbal, which is in folded position. To open the gimbal, what we need to do is to slide the lock towards the right and rotate the other part anti-clockwise to expand it. Now you can attach the gimbal onto the tripod for placing on the flat surface. Here is the power LED indicator, and above it dial is operations button, and further above it is the joystick. On the right side is the rocking button for zoom in and zoom out, and there is a trigger button in the front. On the left is the red power button, below it Type-C charging port. You notice that there is another lock to open the mobile phone holder. There is also an additional USB port to power the phone. Now we insert the cell phone in the holder and try to balance it at the center. Make sure that the camera is on the opposite side of the gimbal's motor. Now we power it up by pressing the red button, and now I place it on the surface. To enjoy the full features of the gimbal, download the MOZA Genie app. When you need to fold Mini-s, rotate the upper part clockwise to lock the roll arm, align the flat part on the pan motor, also unscrew the tripod and place it in the pouch. That was the specification. Now we take to a brief tutorial. Long press the red power button to turn on the gimbal, long press it again to turn it off, and short presses will go in sleep and wake up mode. The gimbal goes in pan follow mode in default. The mobile phone follows in the horizontal direction and it keeps still in the pitch direction. Now hold the trigger, the gimbal enters in tilt follow mode. The mobile phone follows in the pitch direction, release the trigger to exit. Roll follow mode or FPV mode. Click the left button twice to enter the FPV mode. The mobile phone follows the roll direction at a maximum angle of 90 degrees. Click twice again to exit. Anytime press the trigger button twice to return to the default mode. Sports Gear Mode. Click the down button twice to enter the Sport Gear mode. The mobile phone follows very fast in the horizontal direction. Click twice again to exit. In Sports Gear mode, the gimbal is more responsive and it moves more faster to meet the needs of the gaming movements. Click the down button 3 times and the gimbal enters in Inception mode. Move the joystick leftwards or rightwards to rotate the mobile phone. The faster you move the joystick, the faster your mobile phone rotates. But it rotates to a maximum of 315 degrees. If you want to rotate it to whole 360 degrees, you can do it with the twist of your arm. To return to the center position, double press the trigger button and it will go to its default position. All lock mode. Press twice and hold the trigger to enter the all lock mode. The 3 axes are locked. The mobile phone doesn't follow the gimbal movements. Release the trigger to exit. Now we show you some gimbal moves taken with the same gimbal. Please stay with us till the end of this video. To conclude, I would say it's a great value for money gimbal, and its features and its Genie app creates wonders. It's foldable and easy to carry around. Battery timing's pretty decent, it's durable, and aesthetically it's great. Thanks for watching guys, please like, subscribe and share.